how to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you don't want your followers to see that you're active on Instagram and want to hide your activity status, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Head over to Instagram. Go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then scroll down under how others can interact with you. Tap on messages and story replies. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to tap on show activity status, and if it is toggled on, you'll have to toggle it off. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.